They told you AI would replace you, but the real danger is that you refuse to evolve. In 2026, the machine is not coming for the human mind. It is coming for the human who still thinks like a worker. The old world is panicking. They see artificial intelligence and imagine extinction, obsolescence, collapse. They believe the machine will make people lazy, hollow, and mentally weak. But that fear comes from a primitive misunderstanding. AI does not steal intelligence. It exposes who never had command. The machine does not destroy the mind. It destroys the illusion that effort alone makes you valuable. For decades, your brain was trapped inside execution, typing, sorting, formatting, repeating, correcting. You were not the architect. You were the factory worker of your own thoughts. Your creativity was buried under mechanical labor. Your vision was suffocated by tasks that never deserved your consciousness. And you called that discipline. You called that hard work. You called that being useful. But in the new world, usefulness is no longer enough. Direction is the new dominance. When you delegate mechanical output to a silicon entity, you do not become weaker. You become unchained. The machine handles the repetition. The machine carries the weight. The machine burns through the useless friction. And for the first time, your highest brain is free to do what it was built for. Strategy, taste, judgment, vision, command. This is not automation. This is the Silicon Symbiosis. A merger between human intention and computational force. A new nervous system built from flesh and code. AI becomes the extension of your execution, but never the owner of your direction. It processes, it formats, it calculates, it iterates, it obeys. But you decide what matters. You decide what is beautiful. You decide what deserves to exist. Your value is no longer in the typing. Your value is in the taste behind the command. It is in the prompt, the standard, the edit, the refusal to accept mediocre output. The amateur fears the algorithm. The amateur begs the tool to save the life they refuse to design. The sovereign architect does not beg. The sovereign architect commands. The amateur uses AI to escape thinking. The master uses AI to think at a higher level. That is the difference. One becomes dependent. The other becomes amplified. If your mind is chaotic, AI will multiply your chaos. If your vision is clear, AI will multiply your power. The machine is not your savior. It is a mirror with infinite speed. It reflects your standards, your confusion, your laziness, your precision. So do not ask whether AI will replace you. Ask whether you are still operating below your own potential. Stop being the worker inside your own empire. Stop worshiping manual struggle like it is moral superiority. Repetitive labor is not virtue. It is a cage when higher thought is waiting to be used. Step back. Look at the horizon. See the system. Design the architecture. Let the machine generate. Let the machine organize. Let the machine carry the mechanical weight. You protect the one thing the machine cannot create for you, a sovereign direction. Your cognitive energy is not cheap. It is the most valuable asset in the digital age. Spend it on judgment. Spend it on strategy. Spend it on the brutal clarity of choosing what matters. The future will not belong to people who do everything by hand. The future will belong to minds that can command machines without becoming machines. It will belong to creators who understand leverage without surrendering taste. It will belong to architects who can turn silicon speed into human meaning. This is your threshold. Remain primitive or become amplified. Keep drowning in execution or rise into direction. Keep fearing the machine or train the machine to serve the empire you are building. But understand this: if you do not command the system will command you. So establish the hierarchy: human vision above, silicon execution below. You are not being replaced. You are being tested. The weak will outsource their thinking. The sovereign will outsource their friction. Command the silicon. Protect the mind. Build with leverage. Take the vow. Silence. Heavy drone fades out.